Company Christmas Party.
At bago pa ko sumabak ang magkakatrabaho sa kanilang company party, dito muna nila ipapakita ang kanilang Christmas performances.
Kasali rin sa Christmas Party sina Double Cuts, Sam, Patricia.
Makikiparte din ang mga Dabarkats natin dito sa studio na sina Doben Atun, Manny Sabangan, at Denise Hatchanova. Nakaka-supermodel.
Di ba? Ang mananalo sa kanila mag-uwi ng maagang Christmas bonus na 30,000 pesos!
Wow! Meron pa silang gift pack mula sa Spicy Wishy Prawn Crackers. Sarap na real shrimp sa bawat kagat.
Sa Grand Finals naman, merong naghihintay na 300,000 pesos sa winner. At may bonus prize pa. Pupunta ang Double Cuts sa company Christmas party nila.
Yun, no?
Taray!
Makikiparte kami at makikikain. Okay, pakilala na natin ang unang grupo, Julia!
Alright, PAK! Ito na nga, ready na pumarty on sila Sir Francis! Ready na silang i-cheer ang Hinduja Global Solutions. Hinduja, call center po ito.
Yes, yes.
At ang Hinduja po, saan pong bansa galing itong kumpanya?
It's an Indian company.
It's an Indian company, Sir Francis. So, paano kayo nagse-celebrate ng Christmas?
Siyempre, kahit sinasabi nilang may work sa call center, meron din kaming Noche Buena. Kasama lahat ng managers, lahat ng staff. So, enjoy lang during those times.
So, nagsasayawan din kayo, mga contest din kayo sa kumpanya?
Meron din, meron din.
So, praktisado kayo, Sir Francis. Alright, o sino-sino po ba ang pambato ng mga taga-Hinduja Global Solution?
Siyempre, iba't iba. Meron tayong mga subject matter experts.
Say what? Say what?
Subject matter expert. We have the quality analysts, quality leads. You have the team leaders, non-voice reps, and customer service reps.
Alright guys, they are ready. Give way para sa Hinduja Global Solution!
Woo! Let's go, guys!
I'm a team leader from Hinduja Global Solutions, or HGS. Well, as a team leader, I supervise my agents. But now, bilang part ng HGS XC Dance Crew, magkakapantay ang performance at level ng galing na ipapakita namin sa sayo na.
We are empowered! We are HGS! XC! Hinduja Global Solutions. Ito na ang ating next group. Kasama natin si Ma'am Jonah. Ma'am Jonah, ito, Rona, sorry Ma'am Rona. Rona, ito ang Global Technological Training Center. O gano'n na po ba kayong katagal na magkakaibigan?
Ano po, 7 years na po kami magkakaibigan.
O, 7 years matagal na yan, banding na banding yan. At sino po ang mga pinagmamalaki ng Global Technological?
Ang pinagmamalaki po ng Global, junior staff, senior staff, assistant register, and assistant marketing. Okay po.
Assistant Registrar. Wow, go! O, ito na! Ang pride ng Global Technological Training and Review Center. Go!
Ang pagkakaiba ng gagawin namin ngayon, kami nagtitrain sa mga estudyante namin. Pero ngayon, gagawin namin at pipilitin namin, ititrain namin ang sarili namin para mapakita namin sa lahat ng tao na may galing din ang mga workers ng Global Tech.
We are the Global Tech Movers!
Representing all the women, salute, salute.
I am so fab. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me.
Stop the verse.
My back is aching, my bra too tight, my booty shaking from the left to the right. My back is aching, I'm so in love, baby. All I know is you got me. Put your hands on my baby, touch me like that. Make my body boom, zoom when you touch me like that. Touch me like that, when you touch me like that. Make my back is aching, I'm so in love, baby. All I know is you got me good. Baby, do that conga.
Baby, bounce, when I come through, hit y'all with the 1-2. We got suckers, now y'all suckers won't even know what to do. It's grateful, make all of y'all people wanna come too. Feel the force from my shit, kicking like it was kung fu.
Representing all the women, salute, salute.
Ang gagaling naman. Maraming salamat, Hinduja Global Solutions at Global Technological Training and Review Center.
Mamaya, malalaman natin kung sino ang panalo doon sa dalawang grupo.
Mamaya, meron pa tayong Christmas raffle dito sa studio.
Oh, araw-araw may Christmas bonus dito sa EVN Company Christmas Party.
Magbabalik pa po ang Bulaga.
Congratulations! At ngayon naman, tumakbo tayo sa EVN Company Christmas Party. Is it gonna be Hinduja Global Solutions or Global Technological Training and Review Center?
And the EVN Company Christmas Party winner is Global Technological Training and Review Center.
Nanalo kayo ng 30,000 pesos.
Maraming salamat sa lahat na nakasama namin ngayon.